So I'm going to be talking about delay tolerant networking. What is DTN or delay tolerant networking? Delay tolerant networking or DTN is a networking approach that was first used with satellites. The way this would work is the satellites would be over a specific ground station, and during that time, the satellite would transmit data to the ground station. Naturally, because the satellite hovers around the Earth and the Earth is spinning, the satellite may not have a working connection all the time. So in order to mitigate that, it would send all of the data all at once in that section of time that it has a working link. Studies have shown that DTN oftentimes doubles the bandwidth capacity of networks compared to end-to-end models at a significantly lower cost. This is because DTN is designed to fix one of the main problems in normal end-to-end internet communications. When a normal end-to-end communication doesn't have a good connection that exists for the entirety of the duration of the communication, the process typically will fail or be extremely slow. DTN fixes this by relying on message switching. Message switching, data is stored in nodes and eventually sent once a working link has been established. DTN will send messages once the nodes know they have a good connection. These connections are referred to as contacts. Once a contact has been established, a node will send a bundle of information to the receiving node. These bundles of information can carry very, very large amounts of information at off-peak times to make use of bandwidth that isn't in use. And in this diagram, you can see it a lot better. You can see the node here is sending to this node. Now that it has a working connection indicated by the solid line here. The intermittent links or the not working links are dotted and whatnot. And so you can see when there is a working link, the node will send the data. DTN is an emerging type of network, and there are many different types of protocols currently in use. However, the bundle as shown below is currently the most popular. Bundles are capable of holding very, very large amounts of data, and typically they can, once they have formed a connection to the receiver, they will typically transfer using TCP or UDP to contact and communicate to the receiver. Because of the fact that DTN cannot rely on stable connections at all times, it cannot really rely on the source node to take care of making sure that a message was properly sent. It has to rely on the destination node or the receiver to process whether a bundle has been received and received properly. This is called custody transfer. And yeah. Question: what is a working connection called in delay tolerant networking? The answer is a contact. Thank you very much.